Hey guys, thanks again for joining us here at Cooking with Shotgun Red.
And if you like chicken recipes like we like chicken recipes, then you are going to love this chicken recipe.
Absolutely. It is so good. This is one of my favorite sandwiches to make, and we are going to take you back and show you how it's done right now. Okay, we're starting with the bread.
Yes, we went down to Publix to the bakery and got some Hoagie Rolls.
Yeah, Publix has great rolls down there.
Yes, they do. So fresh.
Nice and soft. And you could use French or Italian or any kind of bread you want. So I'm just going to slice these in half. And I like to make the bread like my garlic bread because it has good flavor.
It does.
So I'm going to get these open. We're going to add some butter. And I'm using real butter here. Some garlic salt. Sprinkle of that on there. And some grated Parmesan. Just sprinkle some of that on there. And I'm just getting these ready to go. I'm not going to put them in the oven quite yet.
Because there's more to come.
There's more to come. So then we're going to head over.
Now we got the chicken.
Prep the chicken. We got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts.
You cut those in half.
These are some big breasts too. So we've got our 3 dishes here. And the first one, we've got some seasoned flour with
half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper.
And then we've got a couple eggs and a little bit of milk that we whipped up to make an egg wash. And then we've got some Italian breadcrumbs. And we're going to add some
Parmesan grated cheese.
And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of this in here, but I'm going to reserve the rest for just a little bit later. So we'll mix that into the Italian breadcrumbs. Then we're going to take our chicken
and dredge it into the flour mixture.
Get it completely coated on both sides. And then we're going to place it in our egg wash.
Then into the breadcrumbs.
And we're going to repeat that. Do it again. Coat it in the flour.
Egg wash it. And breadcrumb it.
Pretty simple.
Yes.
I hear Sheila's stomach's growling already.
I know, it's already. And now with olive oil.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. We gotta have our olive oil.
We got skillet on medium heat. Then we're gonna place the chicken in.
All of it goes in.
Yeah, we're gonna fit it all in here. And we're gonna brown that up till it's nice and crispy brown on the one side. Then we're gonna flip it over and brown the other side. You don't want to overcook the chicken, but you want to make sure that it's thoroughly cooked. Yeah, you want nice and golden brown.
You might want, let's see, you might want to do that again. Yeah.
Yeah. Let that cook a little longer there. Let's check. They're slippery little suckers, aren't they?
They are.
Want to come over? Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
So now that the chicken is cooked and we got it browned up on both sides, we're just going to take it and
put it on the side.
Place it aside. Go ahead and put that bread in the broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Don't let it burn. It's not going to take very long.
Now we got our marinara sauce.
And I just picked up some Rayo's marinara sauce. And we're going to heat that up in the microwave. So I just got it in a bowl here. And now that that's all warmed up and our garlic bread is done.
Layering it up.
That's right. So we've got the garlic bread. We're going to take a little bit of our warmed up marinara sauce. And guys, you can take a little bit of your Italian seasoning and flavor up your marinara sauce if you want a little bit more. I always doctor mine up a little bit with some more seasonings.
Yes.
So we're just going to spread that on the garlic bread. Then some of that
grated Parmesan
that we reserved from earlier.
And then a piece of chicken.
I'm going to stack these on here.
Put another one on there.
Yeah, I'm not sure how they're all going to fit, but it's going to be a messy sandwich, but it's going to be a good one. Some provolone cheese.
Look at the cheese coming on. That's good.
And then we're going to add some more of that warmed up marinara sauce. Like I said, it's not going to be a a neat sandwich, but it's a good tasting sandwich.
You may need a dishcloth instead of a napkin.
Yeah. Yeah, we like it messy. Some mozzarella cheese, and then I'll just lightly coat the top here. And then we're gonna put that on. And you could heat this up in the oven if you want that cheese melted some more.
Or put a toothpick in there so it doesn't fall over.
Yeah. Just place this in the broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes just to get the cheese melted and get it crispy.
Can't wait to try this.
We're gonna slice it in half and pop it in the broiler for a few minutes. Look at that.
Smell-o-vision. As Steve would say,
Is this the best chicken parmesan sandwich you've ever tried? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.